Presenting the Lexus 2017 LS 460. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, DVD audio, MP3 decoder, radio data system, radio, AM/FM HD stereo WCD player and air conditioning. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.